good afternoon. Welcome to another sales video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood. This afternoon we are showcasing our Land Rover Freelander 2. It's a 2.2 SD4. It's the XS model and it has the 6-speed manual gearbox. So 4-wheel drive 2.2 diesel Freelander manual XS. 2013, latter part of the year, registered after September 13 on a 63 reg. Metallic black, has the cream leather trim. You can see it has rear park sensors, privacy glass, nice alloy wheels with no curbing, can't see any dents or scratches, front fog lamps, headlamp washers, daytime running lights. This car's done 59,000 miles, yeah, only 59,000 miles from you. 2 owners. The current owner has had it since 2014, so the first owner only had it a year or thereabouts, so it's almost like a demo and 1 owner. I don't know whether it was Land Rover, but first owner not very long, second owner since it's a year old. 59,000 miles with 9 Land Rover main dealer services, including the cam belt, which was done at 51,000 miles. Sat-nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated seats. Obviously got cruise control. Meridian Hi-Fi. Yeah, really nice condition, this car. No marks anywhere, super clean. So 59,000 miles on the 13. 1 owner for 90% of the vehicle's life. Yeah, look at that. Super clean in there. Really is. Headlining, everything. Really nice. Body works equally good this side. Wheels unmarked. So 59,000 miles, 9 Land Rover services. There you go, Meridian Hi-Fi. Electric windows, electric mirrors, press the buttons, folding mirrors as well. Voice control, Bluetooth, cruise control. 59,453 miles. Sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated leather front seats, electric handbrake, all the terrain modes, driver's seat, nice condition, not torn or worn. Priced at £12,995. Very nice example of that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to look at the other stock. That's our web page with all of our cars on. Or visit us on Facebook or Insta, social media channels, Barclay Motor Company. Or go to YouTube, where we upload all of our videos. Find the Barclay Motor Company channel. And please subscribe, and then you'll be first to get a little notification every time we upload fresh stock. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.